Welcome back to Math 109, Plane Trigonometry. In this video, we're going to look at the different ways that we can classify triangles, both by its angles and its sides. So, we'll look at angles and sides. So, three different classifications with respect to angles are acute, right, and obtuse. Acute means all angles are acute. If we'll recall, an acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. So by what we talked about in the last video, obviously we can't have a triangle with more than one right angle or more than one obtuse angle, because that would result in the triangles having sum of degrees more than 180. So a right triangle has one right angle, and an obtuse triangle has one obtuse angle, where again a right angle measures 90 degrees, and an obtuse angle measures greater than 90 degrees. So that's classification by angles. We can also classify by sides. And with those, the classifications are scalene, isosceles, and equilateral. A scalene triangle means no two sides equal length. In an isosceles triangle, two sides have equal length. In an equilateral triangle, all three sides have equal length. And the way that we'll indicate this is if I draw a triangle. I did my best here to draw one that's scalene. We're going to put marks indicating the length. Now these marks have nothing to do with what the length actually is, it's just telling us whether or not they're equal. So on the one side I put one mark, and on another side I put two marks. Those means they're different lengths. And then down here I put 3, indicating that's yet a different length. On the same idea, if I take an equilateral triangle, since all of those sides have the same length, I'm going to mark them all with just one line. indicating they're of equal length. So putting these together, we can classify a triangle So I draw a triangle here, and then I make it as clear as possible. The sides are all different lengths. So this is definitely a scalene triangle. Clearly it's a triangle because it has 3 sides. And I won't be giving you any problems like this that it's going to throw you off because it's not a triangle. So scalene is talking about the length of the sides. And then we can see down here that that angle is an obtuse angle. It's greater than 90 degrees. So we can say that it is an obtuse scalene triangle. So that's how we classify triangles. In the next video, we're going to talk about similar triangles and working with them.